Welcome back to the Rose YouTube channel. Today we're going to do an overview of a 991 GT3 where a customer has called in asking how much it would cost for us to do an engine rebuild. What's happened is he's taken it to a main dealer and they've diagnosed, and allegedly there's too much carbon buildup and therefore the engine would need to be stripped down to eliminate this. So what we've done is we've done investigation ourselves and found that the secondary air pump circuit was at fault. So what's happened is at the same main dealer they've gone and replaced the secondary air pump only for the problem to still be apparent. So now that we know that the secondary air pump is not the culprit here, what we've done is investigated this further. So we removed the part for the secondary air pump circuit and found that it was all heavily sooted up. What we'll do is we'll post pictures where possible. We've cleaned all these ports out and done further testing. The fault was still there. So what we've done is we've had to investigate further, and what we found is that the secondary air pump was not kicking in, not getting a signal from the DME control unit. So long story short, what we've done is we've reset the control unit, and what we've done is recoded it, and the secondary air pump is now kicking in. We've taken the car for a drive and we think that everything is performing just like it should do. Well, the good news is for the customer, because what he thought was maybe going to be a 20-25 grand bill to start off with has actually become a 1,200 quid bill, and he's quids in.